The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, backup camera, heated seats, dual zone climate control, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.